Ooh, I might need another album because I don't know that all of this is gonna fit. Hi, this is Rachelle Scrapcraftastic, and I received some unexpected happy mail from Rachel at Let's Get Planned. I've already opened it, but I wanted to share it with you today. So let's take all of this out. And there is a note. This color reminds me of my Walmart Traveler's Notebook, but before we get into it, okay. So I thought this was just PR, and I kept filling the envelope and thinking this feels awfully soft for PR, but yeah, okay. So I'm not going to read the note word for word, but basically what she's saying is that she saw the video where I mentioned that I needed storage for my Let's Get Planned stickers. And so she says this Mini Rose Co. album is good and holds her stickers perfectly. And she also sent me a few samples of Mini Rose Co. stickers and let me know that Mini Rose Co. is another small Black-owned stationery shop. And I'm familiar with Mini Rose Co. Actually, I follow Mini Rose Co. on Instagram. I have not yet purchased anything from Mini Rose Co., but I felt like the day was coming. So this is my first Mini Rose Co. item, and it looks like there's also some PR here, which I didn't realize. But this is the album that she gifted me. Okay, so I guess these are the Mini Rose Co. stickers. This one is Fix My Crown with 3 different skin tones, or 2 different skin tones. This one is Felicia. This one is just Mini Rose Co. Hope you can see those. And it's like on a translucent type paper, sticker paper, kind of like vellum. It looks like a vellum sticker paper. So there's those. And then this is the album. It has tons of pages in here to store my stickers. So this is what it looks like. And I will be adding my stickers to this. So let's close that up for a second. These are the new August releases, which are live and available in the Let's Get Planned Etsy shop. I will put all of the information for Mini Rose Co. as well as Let's Get Planned in the description box below. So let's see what we got here. Keep my knife. Ooh, look at these. Let's zoom in. So this is Comic Sheet 1, Comic Sheet 2. It's got little icons, decorative stickers at the bottom. Comic Sheet 3. Okay. Yep, Comic Sheet 3, Comic Sheet 4 with some colorful boxes, date covers. Then this is Jazz. That's what we call my oldest daughter, Jazz. This is Tina, Danny, Joy, Leslie, Patrice. I almost said Patience. I am worthy of all the happiness I feel in this moment. You can find me somewhere in between inspiring others, working on myself, dodging negativity, and slaying my goals. Unknown. Okay. Then this one is in this moment I am at peace. Busy getting my life together, focusing on my goals, clearing out any misalignments, and preparing to embrace all of my blessings. Unknown. I like that. This is like a self-care set. In this moment, I am at peace. Okay, so I like the bright colors of these. Let's go ahead and put some of these in here. And see how it goes. So I'm going to do 1 and 2. And then 3 and 4. I probably should sort these by color. I probably will eventually. But for now, I'll just put these in here like so. Then this is a single one, and then this won't fit. I'll just keep that aside. So I have been keeping those notes, but yeah. So this is the envelope that I have been keeping everything in, and it has served me well, but it is time to move on up. And I know that one is upside down, but I'm going to put these that I know are parts of sets aside so that I can get the rest of the set to go with it. Ooh, I might need another album because I don't know that all of this is going to fit. Okay, so I'm just now noticing this, but these are kind of like the Simply Gilded pouches where there is a pocket on each side, so that I could just put like one on one side, one on the other side. But I'm okay with just putting two in there because either way I'm only gonna get 2 sheets in a pouch unless I want to push the issue further and get more than that in there. So let's see. So these are the same. They can go separately. I'm totally not going to have enough room for everything. So maybe I should keep it to just the dolls in here. I don't know. Okay, so for the most part, I was able to get everything in here. Most of these are like the kits and then holiday specialty stickers. So what I'm thinking is that I can, this feels very soft. Wow, this is so cool. I really appreciate this, Rachel. I should have some kind of sticker pouch that I can put back here to maybe, or envelope. Is there some way that I can add something to this? What I will do in the meantime is all of these that are specialty or kits like this goes together. This is Mother's Day, but I can use that anytime. This is Easter. And then all of these I had pulled out for things like the 4th of July, Memorial Day, Labor Day maybe. Let's get these scripts and cards out. And then these other ones are for Juneteenth, St. Patrick's Day. This goes with Memorial Day. Here's another St. Patrick's Day. And then these are more specialty. I guess I could go ahead and use some of this. This is spring stuff. And then these are the llamas. These can just stay in here, I guess, for now, until I maybe get another album or figure out what to do. I know I have some large clear pockets that I could probably squeeze in here. I don't know that that's going to close once I put all of that in there. And then these are more functional stickers, and the cards. Let's take the cards out. So, and then the mini Rose Co stickers, I'm going to leave those in here. And then I'll probably just clip these on somehow. I think I'm just going to clip these in the front like that for now till I can find my clear pouches or make something to go on the inside cover. I'm going to tuck these back in, as well as this one. It's a little bigger. So I'm going to fold that. And this is still way too big for this. I wonder if I could put an elastic on it, maybe. I don't know. I'll figure it out eventually. But for now, this will do, because it gives me more room in the pouch. Plus, I have this. So all of this, I'm not going to be able to snap it. So all of this, I could probably, yeah, I can, if I really pull on it. All right. It's a tight snap, but it all fits. So that is my Let's Get Planned collection of stickers all in one place for now. I'm probably going to have to expand on that, but no problem. So that's it. I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.